Hi friends! Today I'm unboxing the Baby Shark roller coaster playset. Are you ready to have some fin-tastic fun? Do. First, let's open the box very carefully. Snip, snip, ask a grown-up for help with scissors. Wow, I see colorful tracks. Wow, I see a little baby shark car. Wow, I see some stickers. Let's lay everything out nice and neat. Look at these bright pieces. Yellow. Look at these bright pieces. Blue. Look at these bright pieces. Pink. So happy and sunny. I've got some cute pictures and videos from Pexels to show what colors look like in the real world. Sunny, yellow. I've got some cute pictures and videos from Pexels to show what colors look like in the real world. Ocean blue. So pretty. Time to build. Click, click, track piece 1. Click, click, track piece 2. Great job. Let's make a gentle hill. Up, 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 and we down the ramp. I'll press the pieces until they snap. All snug and safe. Now let's add the baby shark car. Hello, little shark. I'll place it at the top. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. The car zooms down the track, so smooth and fast. Let's try again. How about a fun game? When the car goes up, we say up. When it goes down, we say down. Ready? Up, down. Great job, friends. Let's add the stickers to make it extra cute. I'll stick them on carefully. 1. I'll stick them on carefully. 2. I'll stick them on carefully. 3. Remember, ask a grown-up to help so the stickers go on just right. I love how colorful this coaster is. And guess what? You can mix the pieces to make your own track shapes. Curvy. You can mix the pieces to make your own track shapes. Straight. You can mix the pieces to make your own track shapes. Super swoopy. Before we finish, let's tidy up. Tracks in the box, car in the box, instructions in the box. All done. Thanks for unboxing the Baby Shark roller coaster playset with me. High five. See you next time for more silly, smart fun. Bye-bye.